Alright, let's start. Let's start with the class. Primero que todo vamos a presentarnos, ¿verdad? Vamos a hablar aquí acerca de lo que es un poco English Code. English Code es una nueva opción, como les decía, una nueva opción para todas aquellas personas que necesitan el idioma inglés tan necesario, ¿verdad? It's so important to know English, right? If you don't know English, well, you're getting behind, ¿verdad? Nos quedamos atrás. We're getting behind. Pero bueno, la idea de English Code es proporcionar, es brindarle a la gente una experiencia maravillosa, enfocada en las necesidades de cada persona. Probablemente, esperemos, hoy tengamos bastante gente en esta clase, pero ya cuando matriculen con nosotros, los grupos son pequeños, son grupos en línea pequeños, de 5 personas. ¿Para qué? Para que podamos tener una enseñanza personalizada, ¿verdad? Que esa es la idea de English Code. En otros lados probablemente los vayan a colocar en grupos con mucha gente, ¿verdad? Tal vez 8, 12 personas. Y estamos hablando de enseñanza online, por lo cual necesitamos que el grupo sea pequeño, ¿verdad? En este caso, English Code está trayendo dos opciones muy importantes. Una es English for Networks, ¿ok? En conjunto con otro grupo que se llama Networking CR, ¿ok? Estamos trayendo el programa de English for Networks, ¿ok? El cual es inglés para redes. English Code pretende lograr sacar programas para diversas carreras, diversas profesiones, en el que el inglés esté especializado para cada una de esas personas. Igualmente tenemos la opción de Business English, ¿ok? Que va muy de la mano en realidad los dos. Lo que sucede es que en English for Network se va a dar pues una clase de telecomunicaciones para que además puedan complementar, ¿verdad? Puedan complementar junto con la enseñanza de inglés de negocios o Business English. La parte de lo que es Business English nada más no contiene lo que es la clase de telecomunicaciones, pero más adelante vamos a hablar de esas opciones. Okay, so right now you can see, right? You can see my screen. I got this wonderful clock right there. But let's start with the class. I got some very interesting things for you guys and ladies. Okay. Me pueden indicar cuando pueden ver mi pantalla. Ya cuando puedan ver ahí donde diga Welcome to Business English. Welcome to Business English. By the English Code. Okie dokie. Alright. So this is Welcome to Business English. Bienvenidos a Inglés de Negocios. La primera pregunta de esta noche para ustedes va a ser What's your level? ¿Cuál es su nivel? What's your level? Alright, so maybe what we can do, we're getting a new student. That's great. We got a new student, Nicole, which is wonderful. Aquí les estoy mostrando, ¿verdad? Lo que es what's your level. ¿Cuál es su nivel? ¿Cuál es su nivel de inglés? Okay, what's your current level? What's your current level? Current significa actual. Okay, en este momento, what's your level? What's your current level? Este gráfico que tenemos aquí, lo que nos indica son los diferentes niveles del inglés. Tenemos lo que se llama A1 o starter. Okay, eso es un beginner, un principiante. Después tenemos un elementary, que es un A2. Okay, elementary. Después de eso avanzamos a intermediate. Y posteriormente avanzamos a upper intermediate. Okay, or B2 o B2. Good evening, Nicole. Welcome to the class. Wonderful to see you. Bienvenida, Nicole. Excelente. Aquí, bueno, les estoy explicando un poco acerca de lo que es what's your level. What's your level of English, right? Let me explain something here. Voy a explicar algo aquí. La mayoría de personas en nuestro país llegan a lo que es un A2, elementary, ¿verdad? Y al ingresar a otros cursos, otros niveles, ¿verdad? Otros academias, más bien, llegan al B1. This one right here, the red one, al rojo. Y hay muchas personas que están aquí en ese nivel intermedio B1 y lo que dicen es, sé inglés, pero no sé hablarlo. So you don't know. Sé escuchar inglés, sé leerlo, pero no sé hablarlo. So you don't know. No, entonces no sabemos, ¿verdad? Parte de aprender inglés es que podamos dominar todas las 4 habilidades del idioma. Now, why are we here? ¿Por qué estamos aquí? Right? Why? Because we want to get here. Queremos llegar aquí. This is the point where a company will hire you. Este es el punto, el momento en que una compañía los va a contratar. Ya sea como network engineers, if you want to work as a call center agent, como call center, como técnico de redes, ¿verdad? Software developer, ¿verdad? Un desarrollador de software. Aquí, este nivel, este B2, we got 3 steps, hay 3 escalones hasta llegar aquí. This is the level that we need. This is our goal. Esta es la palabra, una palabra de hoy nueva. Goal significa meta. The goal. Goal. Okay? Se pronuncia O. O, goal. Okay, that's the goal. Esa es la meta que queremos. Ese upper intermediate. Okay? Can everyone get there? ¿Cualquier persona puede llegar ahí? Yes, sure. It doesn't matter. No importa, no importa. Cualquier persona llega. Your age is not important. Su edad no es importante. Your background, that's not important. Sus conocimientos previos, no importa. What matters, lo que importa, what matters, es that you really want to be there. That you really want to be there. Your effort. Okay, el esfuerzo, que queremos estar ahí. That's the most important thing. If you're going to be there, I mean, if you really want to be there, si quieren estar ahí, you're going to get there. Van a llegar ahí. And the English code will help you. Okay? English code los va a ayudar a llegar ahí. Ese B2, upper intermediate, the goal, la meta. Okay? The goal. That's upper intermediate. Ahora, ¿cuál es una forma muy efectiva de llegar al B2 en un tiempo, pues, reducido, ¿verdad? Because we need to work right now. Okay? Ocupamos el trabajo lo más pronto posible. ¿Cómo llegamos ahí un poco más rápido? Well, if we work on objectives. Si trabajamos en objetivos, objectives, así se escribe. Objectives. Los invito a repetir a todos conmigo. Objectives. ¿Okay? Objectives. Si trabajamos en objetivos, si definimos objetivos, trabajamos sobre esos y llegamos a esos más rápido. ¿Ok? Que es uno de los propósitos de lo que es English Code. Ustedes nos van a ayudar a definir sus objetivos y sobre esos objetivos vamos a trabajar. ¿Ok? That's the problem with other academies, with other places. ¿Cuál es el problema de otras academias, de otros lugares? If you go there, si vamos allá, nos dan un libro, ¿verdad? Y nos dan temas genéricos, no trabajamos realmente lo que necesitamos. Here, with us, you're going to work what do you need. Aquí con nosotros van a trabajar what do you need, lo que ocupan, what do you need, what you really, really need. All right? Sounds good, right? Does it sound good? Does it sound good? Eso significa, ¿les parece? Does it sound good? ¿Suena bien? Does it sound good? Ok, entonces vamos a hablar un poco de what's business English? What is that? What's business English? ¿Qué es inglés de negocios? You don't hear me. Wait a second. You don't hear me. Let me see. Ok, ¿los demás me pueden escuchar? ¿Sí? Ok. Si tienen algún problema con el audio, ¿verdad? Pueden revisar que la conexión no esté fallando. Igualmente, asegúrense de tener la opción de audio de equipo marcada en la ventana de GoToMeeting. Ok, en la ventana de GoToMeeting. Audio de equipo marcada en la ventana de GoToMeeting que dice audio. Audio. All right. ¿Qué dice audio? We got more people. We got Edson. Hello, Edson. Hello, Eduardo. Oh, Eduardo, can you hear me now? Hello, hello. Yep. Can you?
Yes, no
That's
problem.
good. That's good. How's it going? Good?
Pretty good. Yeah,
That's
pretty good.
that's awesome. Thank you very much for for coming. Sorry. Thank you very much for coming. You are
Okay.
welcome. Thanks, sir. All right. I will ask you to participate right now. Okay, ahora mismo vamos a empezar a participar. Don't worry, no se preocupen si no pronunciamos muy bien, si nuestra gramática no es muy buena. Ok, eso no es importante en este momento. ¿Por qué? Porque, bueno, después nos vamos a acomodar en niveles, ¿verdad? Con gente parecida, ¿verdad? En cada uno de esos niveles, con gente que va a estar, pues, a un nivel similar. Y, pues, vamos a trabajar desde donde estemos, ¿verdad? Si somos starters, si somos principiantes, si somos intermedios, ahí vamos a ir para arriba, ¿verdad? Step by step. Okay? Paso a paso, step by step, like this TV show from the 90s, I guess. Como un show de TV que se llamaba Step by Step, ¿verdad? Entonces aquí tenemos esta pregunta, why is it important today? ¿Por qué es importante aprender Business English? Oh my God. Okay. What about if someone helps me here to read? ¿Qué tal si alguien me ayuda a leer aquí un poco? Tal vez José Alvarado. Sir, good evening.
Hello,
How's it going?
fine and you, man?
I'm very, very well. I'm good. I'm good. I'm happy to see everyone here. A lot of people. This is very good. Yeah. Mr. Alvarado, would you like to help me please to read that first sentence that we got on screen? Please.
Okay. Business English is a general term used for English related to international com commerce,
Commerce?
finance,
Yep.
and industry.
Industry. Very good. Okay. Very good. Repeat with me this word and everyone please. Todos los demás también. Repeat with me. Repeat. General.
General,
General.
general,
Nice. Very good. Now please repeat with me, everyone. International. Jose, please.
international,
International.
international.
Nice. Very good. Very good. International. Okay. I'm going to turn on my webcam. All right. Voy a encender mi cámara un momento so you can watch me, so you can see me, right? Algo muy importante con esa palabra international, cuando yo llego a la parte de national, national, tenemos un sonido ahí muy especial. International. No es una A cualquiera. ¿Ok? No es una A cualquiera. Es international. International. Aquí pueden ver mi lengua, cómo se extiende. ¿Verdad? Para hacer ese national. International. All right? Jose, one more time, please.
Okay. Business English is a general term used for English related to international commerce, finance, and industry.
Okay, could you please repeat? Because
Yes.
you are like far away from the mic, please.
Okay.
Repeat international.
International.
That's good. Very, very good. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay. Muy bien. Ahora, bueno, aquí estamos con lo que es Business English, ¿verdad? Es un término que se usa para el inglés relacionado a la industria internacional. Lo que significa que, pues bueno, if we work with international companies, ¿verdad? Si trabajamos con compañías internacionales, like Sykes, Convergys, Amazon, right? Si trabajamos con compañías internacionales, we need to speak English. We have to, we must to. Tenemos que hablar inglés, ¿verdad? There is no other way. Okay, no hay de otra, ¿verdad? There is no other way. Okay, dokie. Now I need someone else. What about my friend Eduardo? Please. Eduardo, would you like to read that part for us, sir?
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
In the global environment, it has become common for non-native English speakers to study business English as a specific tool, with the aim of interacting with English-speaking countries or with companies that use English as a shared language.
Very good. Very, very good. Please, would you like to repeat 2 words with me? Yep.
Yep.
All right. Let's work on this one. Global.
Global.
Again?
Global.
Good. Now let's work on this one. And listen to this. Environment.
Environment.
Nice. Very good. Now please repeat with me. The last one right here we got shared. Shared.
Shared.
Yeah, shared language. Please.
Shared language.
Language. Language.
Language.
Nice. Very good. Okay, Eduardo. Why do you think that this is important? Why is this phrase in blue? Why? Specific tool. Why is it important?
Probably because, well, English business is more related if you needed to interview, I don't know, or technical English, for example, computers or routers. That's a different English. Well, not different, it's the same, but more technical. So it's more specific.
Very good.
Probably.
Very good. No, you got it. You got it. That's the
Nice.
correct answer. Es cierto. It's because a tool, esa palabra es herramienta. Okay? It's a tool. As Eduardo said, como Eduardo decía, ¿verdad? As he said, a tool, we use a tool for something very specific. Usamos una herramienta para algo específico. Like a hammer. Un martillo, right? The hammer. We use the hammer to nail, ¿verdad? Clavar. Because the tool has a specific purpose. Okay? Esa herramienta tiene un propósito específico. Very good. Eduardo, thank you very much for your participation.
No problem.
Nice. Okie dokie, let's go to the next one. This is the last point about business English. Okay, este es el último punto. Hasta el momento hemos visto que el inglés de negocios es importante porque it's related to international industry. Está relacionado a la industria internacional. It's a specific tool. Es una herramienta específica. And we got one last point. Tenemos un último punto. Okay, what about Javier Mendez? Sir, please, sir, would you like to read that part for us? That would be very good, please. Y tenemos esta última parte. Vamos a ver si Javier nos quiere ayudar con esta parte, este último punto. En no microphone. No microphone. But Francisco, you don't have a microphone. It's okay. Okay. Si no tiene micrófono, pueden pues estar observando la clase, ¿verdad? No hay ningún problema. Perfectísimo. Igual Javier. Javier, do you have a mic with you right now? ¿Tienes un micrófono ahora? Do you have it with you? No? Yes? Maybe? También puede ser que estén silenciados, ¿verdad? Aquí en la lista de asistentes, al lado de su nombre, hay un micrófono. Si está de color anaranjado, es que el teacher los tiene en silencio para evitar sonido ambiente. Si está en gris, ¿verdad? es que no pueden, no pueden hablar porque ustedes están silenciados. Perfect, Francisco. Don't worry. It's wonderful. Just listen to me. Listen to everybody. Good. Okay, I think Javier is not with us right now, but it doesn't matter. It's okay. Well, Giselle, please, would you like to read the last point for us? Let me see if she is with us.
Hi,
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. And you? How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm back in business, right? I'm back into business.
Yes.
Would you like to read, please, point number 3 for us?
In this atmosphere, business English is what one is required of in order to join, communicate, and compete in the international market.
Very good. Very good. Would you like to repeat, and please everyone else repeat with us, atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
Yeah, now, atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
Yeah, in this atmosphere.
In this atmosphere,
Good, good. So, Giselle, would you like to explain us what's the main idea here in this point number 3? La idea principal.
Business English is like a must to work in an international company or something like that.
Yeah, good. Very good. Thank you very much, Giselle.
You're welcome.
Nice. Okay, yes. That's the answer. Why do we need business English? Well, if you want to join, si queremos unirnos, eso es lo que significa join, communicate, comunicarnos, and compete, ¿verdad? Competir. Where? In the international market. En el mercado internacional, we need business English. Okay? Lo necesitamos. That's what we need. Okay? So now, let me introduce you my wonderful secretary and my friend. I'm going to introduce it to you. Just give it a second because I think that the screen is frozen. I don't know if you can see the screen right now. Let me see. All right. She's cute. Well, she's my secretary. Her name is Rachel, right? Her name is Rachel. She's my secretary. She's going to help us tonight, all right? She's going to take us to our conference room, okay? Nos va a llevar a nuestro cuarto de conferencia porque, bueno, hoy vamos a empezar con un poco de business English. Hi, Rachel. Hi, Rachel. I think she's going to say something. Wait, she's going to say something. I think she wants to say something. Let me see. Rachel, do you want to say something? Yeah, she wants to say. Yeah. She's frozen, right? But she wants to say something, right? She wants to say something to you. Rachel, she's saying, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Come with me to our conference room. Okay? A conference room, el cuarto de conferencia, es el lugar donde se llevan a cabo las meetings. Okay? Meeting es reunión. Okay? Puede ser una business meeting, como en este caso, a business meeting. Okay? And Rachel is going to take us there. Okay, Rachel is going to take us there. Nos va a llevar allá, nos va a llevar al conference room de business English code in business English, right? She's cute. That's the first thing you notice, right? Lo primero que vieron. Well, the guys, right? So here we go. Okay, please come with us. Let's go to the conference room. Very nice place. Just give it a second. We're just like walking there, right? Vamos caminando hacia allá. That's our conference room. Please have a seat. Everyone, please. I think we got enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we got 8. Like 8, right? 8 chairs. So please have a seat. Everyone, as you can see, we got bottles with water. There's a laptop. We got a beautiful TV, right? You got on Android. Sounds kind of low. Suena un poco bajo en Android. Intentar ajustar un poco el audio de mi micrófono. Intentar ajustar un poco el audio de mi micrófono. Vamos a intentar, a ver, ok. Muy bien. So please, everyone, have a seat, right? Todos tomamos una silla. Okay, so welcome to our conference room. Bienvenidos todos a nuestro cuarto de conferencia, our meeting room. Okay. What are we going to do? Well, we're going to discuss some questions. Okay, vamos a hablar a discutir algunas preguntas. And the first question on the table. La primera pregunta en la mesa. Ahí la vamos a tener arriba. Ok. Ahí la vamos a tener arriba. Voy a escribirla en el chat en caso de que no se vea bien. Responding to this challenge. Ok. Ahí tenemos la primera pregunta of this meeting, de esta reunión. What's the biggest challenge? Challenge significa reto, desafío, challenge. You are facing right now. El desafío más grande que estamos enfrentando. How are you responding to this challenge? ¿Cómo estamos respondiendo a este desafío? How are you responding to this challenge? All right. Let me see. What about, como les digo, ¿verdad? Esto es no se preocupen, ¿verdad? Si su nivel, si quieren decirlo en inglés, bienvenido, ¿verdad? Es una clase que vamos a tratar de mejorar el inglés. Si nuestro nivel, pues ahora no está muy alto, ¿verdad? Entonces, si gustan, pueden hacerlo en español. I encourage you to try in English, ¿ok? Los motivo a que encourage es como motivar, ¿verdad? Como darles valor, impulsarlos, encourage, ¿ok? A que hablen en inglés en este momento, pero esto es una clase demo, así que Spanish is allowed. Okay, el español está permitido. This moment. All right. We got Edson here. Edson. Hello, sir. How are you? Let me see if he is with us. Vamos a ver, Edson. Can you hear me? Vamos a ver. I can't. No puedo. Trata revisando en la opción de audio, ¿verdad? Que el micrófono que vayas a utilizar esté configurado ahí, que sea el que vamos a usar. Vamos a ver. I'm checking. Okay, check. We got more questions. Vamos a que Edson revise su micrófono mientras le damos la oportunidad a otra persona, ¿verdad? Mientras Edson... It says it's working? Let me see if it's my microphone. Let me see. Because it could be mine. Vamos a ver si es el mío más bien. Jose, I hear you a couple of seconds ago. Let me see. Talk to me. Vamos a ver si tal vez es mi audio. Jose, can you talk to me?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
All right. All right. Okay. I'm just checking. Just checking. Thank you.
Okay.
And just checking. Ok, vamos a ver. Edson dice que el micrófono está trabajando bien. Extraño. Vamos a ver. Edson, otra solución puede ser también salir un momento de la reunión y volver a entrar. a veces se presenta ese problemilla. Otra opción también puede ser aquí revisar en la parte de audio. Aquí abajo, dispositivo de reproducción o grabación, porque puede ser tal vez que go to meeting. Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Puede ser eso también. Aquí en la parte de abajo. Voy a dejar tu audio abierto, Edson, para en cualquier momento tal vez se soluciona, entonces puedes participar. All right, let's listen to Nicole. Nicole, hello. Sure, Edson, sure. Hello. Let me see. Are you there? ¿Alguien ahí?
Hi,
Hi. How are you?
can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hi,
How's it going? ¿Cómo está?
fine, thanks.
That's good. Would you like to help us with this question, please? ¿Gustaría ayudarnos con esta pregunta que tenemos aquí? If you want, it can be in Spanish
Yes,
or it
I'll
can be in
try.
English. All right, in English, that's perfect. Just try, okay? So what's the biggest challenge you're facing right now?
My biggest challenge is maybe study.
Okay. Okay. So starting. That's
Yes,
your
I
biggest
need to
challenge.
learn English.
Okay. You need to learn English. All right.
Yes,
And how are you responding to this challenge? Well, you're here, right? ¿Cómo estamos respondiendo? You're here. Estás aquí, right? You're here with us tonight.
yes,
That's a good response. Es una buena respuesta. That's a good response.
uh-huh.
Yes. Would you like to repeat with me the word challenge?
Challenge.
Very good. Al principio de esa palabra challenge, al principio tenemos como el cha, 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 como cuando decimos chancho, ¿verdad? Chancho o chico, cha, 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 challenge. Y al final, ese último sonido que tenemos es como cuando decimos George, George, challenge, challenge. All right, repeat, Nicole, please.
Challenge.
Challenge. Very good. Very good. Thank you very much. All right, Nicole. Do you like our room? Do you like our conference room?
Yes, I like a lot.
Right? It's nice. Yeah.
Yes.
We bought the chairs on the internet. They are from Italy. Yeah. Vienen de Italia las sillas. Just kidding. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much, Nicole. I got Android Warrior. Please. Android Warrior. Would you like to participate? Me parece ahí tengo uno que dice Android Warrior. No tengo identificado el nombre. Puedo ver que estás escribiendo. Ahora que dice, when the biggest challenge is spiritual, that's hard to explain. I would like to hear that. If you can participate, if you got your mic with you right now. Let me see. Vamos a ver. Si el micrófono está en grises, okay, I can see. All right. Let's see.
How you doing, man?
How you doing? Hello.
Can you hear me fine?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yeah. Yeah, on Android it's kind of difficult because the sound is too low. And I
Okay.
found out that it's because it's mono. The audio is mono, not
Oh,
stereo.
that's important. That's
Yeah,
important.
that's why.
I'm gonna write down that because it's important, right? Thank you very much. All right, my friend, would you like to help us with that question? You said that when the biggest challenge is spiritual, it's hard to explain.
Yeah, that's really hard to explain, man. Cause well, right now I'm trying to get back my daughter,
Okay,
cause her mom took her away from me, so this kind of hard. So
definitely.
right now, what I'm doing is like leaning on God, pretty much.
That's good. That's good. I mean, it's a very good example, a very good way to explain this question, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'm really sorry to hear that. I know
Thanks.
it has to be difficult for you, right?
It
Definitely,
is. It is.
definitely.
Yeah.
And that's a good way to respond a problem, right? You
Yeah.
are you are believing in God. That's a good way to respond that problem.
Exactly.
That's good. Well, man, would you like to say something else?
Uh, for the question,
Yeah, after
no.
that question. No, okay.
I think that's it.
Uh, do you like our conference room? Do you feel comfortable here?
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
cool. It's
All right.
nice.
It's nice, right?
But the AC is too low, man.
The what again?
The AC is too low. It's
We need
freezing, man.
we need to fix that. We're gonna
Yeah,
work
it's
in that.
freezing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's frozen here.
Yeah.
It's like a glacier. I'm gonna
Exactly.
adjust it. I'm gonna adjust that. Just give me a second. Thank you very much.
Cold maintenance. Cold maintenance, man.
Well, I'm going to adjust that. I mean, thank you very much for telling me that. I'm going to adjust that. I will call my secretary. She's gonna help us in that.
Oh, cold maintenance.
Again, again.
Cold maintenance to fix it.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe they can help us to fix that. I'm gonna call the janitor, right?
Yeah.
The janitor will come and help us with that. Yeah.
Yeah. And by the
Really.
way, thanks for the water.
Thanks for the what again?
For
For,
the water.
for the water. It's from Italy too.
The water?
Yeah, it's from Italy too.
All
Yeah.
right. You have to go that far, man.
No, no. We bought it. We bought it online, and they brought it to us.
Online?
Yeah, online.
All right, cool.
All right, cool. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Excellent. And I'm gonna call maintenance right now to fix the problem with the air conditioner, right? Because I'm frozen. You know. That's good. Okay. Let's go. Let's move on to the next question. We got more people to participate tonight, which is wonderful. I'm really happy to see everyone here with us. Let me see. We got. Let me see if Edson now can talk. Edson.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Mr. Now I can hear you perfectly.
Great.
Right. Are you enjoying the class?
Absolutely, sir.
That's good. Do you like our conference room?
Too fancy.
Too fancy. Well, we just want the best things for you. Well, would you like to help me please to answer this question right here?
To answer. Which one, sir?
Okay, I'm going to read for you the question. We got it here. Está arriba la pregunta. Tal vez no se puede ver muy bien, pero bueno, la pregunta es, would you describe yourself as an optimist, pessimist, or realist? Which type of people do you think tend to be the most successful? So we got two questions, right? We got two questions.
Yes, sir.
The first one, would you describe yourself as an optimist, pessimist, or realist?
Well, I would like to be an optimist, but actually, I feel more like a realistic person.
Okay.
I mean, you can see what you do every day, what you can see like how our country is. Uh, but I prefer to live every day.
That's
step
good.
by step.
Step by step. All
And,
right. That's
and
good.
always being optimist, but I would say that I'm more realistic.
Okay, you're more
And
realistic.
And the successful.
The second question is, which type of people do you think tend to be the most successful?
I would say the optimist because
Okay.
they always think that they have to improve themselves, they have to look forward, um, look into the future, what they are going to do tomorrow, not today.
Yeah.
And well, I don't know what else.
Okay. Very good. Would you like to repeat one word with me? Repeat future.
Future.
Very good. Future. With future, we got that sound. Tenemos ese sonido en el ch, 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 ch. Okay. Hay que asegurarse que nuestra lengua toque la parte de arriba para que suene como future, ¿verdad? Y no digamos future. Future. No es sh, es ch, ch, ch. Future. Repeat.
Future. Future.
Very good. You got it. You got it. Nice job. Like cha-cha-cha. Yes, like cha-cha-cha. That's a good tip. That's a good tip. Like cha-cha-cha. Very good. What type of people do you think tend to be the most successful? And here my friend Edson said that optimistic, right? The people who are optimist. Very good. Thank you very much, Edson.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. You can drink water, right? If you need more water, tell me. I'll call secretary to help us with water. Um, let me see. Well, Francisco's working right now, so he cannot participate, but it's fine. It's fine. Let me see. Giselle. I drank it all. Who's hungry? Okay, Eduardo's hungry. I'm going to call Rachel. Yep. Giselle, what do you think about that question, please?
I think that I'm realistic person too.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm optimist. Sometimes I've been pessimist, but most of the time I'm realist. Um, yeah, realist
Okay.
person.
You're a realistic person.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And what about question number 2? Which type of people do you think tend to be the most successful?
I think that optimistic person used to be most successful because even when someone is trying to avoid success for them, they are always optimist and they can be successful. I I met some people like that, and it's it's like a good example to follow.
All right. Okay, that's good. Okay. Giselle, repeat with me. Optimist.
Optimist.
Okay. Say, I'm optimist.
I'm optimist.
Or yeah. Or, no. Just leave it at that. Now repeat with me. Optimistic.
Optimistic.
Yeah. Now say pessimist.
What?
Pessimist.
Pessimist.
Yeah. Now say pessimistic.
Pessimistic.
Now say realist.
Realist.
Realistic.
Realistic.
Good. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. Now the thing with this, right? The thing with this, with optimist, si decimos la palabra optimist, eso es un noun, ¿verdad? Es una, por decirlo así, es una cosa, una persona, no es un adjetivo. El adjetivo es optimistic, ¿verdad? Ese es el adjetivo. Optimist, okay? Optimist means or refers to an optimistic person, ¿Ok? ¿Ok? Se refiere a la persona, es como decir, es que en español no podríamos traducirlo, ¿verdad? Optimist es el noun, ¿verdad? Optimistic, el adjetivo. ¿Ok? So how would you describe yourself? Okay, you can say, all right, I'm optimist, or I am an optimistic person. Igual sucede con pessimist, pessimistic, and realist, realistic. Okay? Los que tenemos aquí en pantalla, esos son nouns. Los otros son adjectives. Okay? Adjetivos. Very good. Very good. So far, everyone, well, not everyone, but the ones who have participated, right? The ones you guys have said that optimistic people are the most successful, right? Because they are always looking to the future, right? And Giselle said something very important, that they are an example. They are like role models, right? Well, let's go to the next question, right? Because we need to move on, right? We need to move on to the next topic. Let me see. My friend, Javier, can you listen to me? Do you want to participate, or you just want to watch and listen? Which is perfect. Which is perfect. Just tell me. Okay? Si gustas participar o hablar o solamente estar observando, es perfecto. Okay? No hay ningún problema. Okay, we got another question. All right, perfect. No hay problema. Excelente. Espero que le estés disfrutando mucho la clase. Y el conference room, ¿verdad? Y el cuarto aquí de conferencia. Okay. Someone said, alguien dijo que tiene hambre. I'm gonna call Rachel, right? She's gonna, maybe she can order something, right? Is someone here vegetarian? I know someone. Is someone here vegetarian? Because I know someone. Some pizza, please. All right. A couple of pizzas, right? Maybe that can help us. Yeah. All right. Let's go here. We got another question right now. Right now, let's take a look at that question. Jose, please, my man, I think you can help me with this question right now. I'm going to read it for you. It says, what unusual skill or skills have come in handy at your current job or at your old job, previous job? When we say come in handy, esta frase que tenemos aquí, come in handy, ¿verdad? Es como, ¿cuál es? Bueno, la pregunta lo que dice es, what unusual skill, ¿okay? ¿Qué habilidad inusual, ¿verdad? O habilidades inusuales nos fueron útiles? Cuando decimos come in handy, es como que estaban ahí para nosotros, estaban a mano, ¿verdad? In handy. At your current job, en nuestro trabajo actual, or maybe an old job, o tal vez uno antiguo. What do you think, Jose? What skills do you have? That's a good one.
It's a tough question.
It's a hard question, yeah. You, my friend, you just won the lotto. That's the most difficult question.
Yes. Yes, I know that.
What comes to your mind? What comes to your mind?
I don't know. I'm thinking about it, but I don't.
What skills do you have? What skill?
It's a little hard to me to talk about my bad.
All right. Are you? I think you are an honest guy, right?
Yes.
Honesty.
Yes.
Where you're responsible.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, very responsible.
Like
I try to be responsible.
All right. Are you pretty? It's a Andrew Water is saying that. He's honest. You're pretty, or pretty good. Right? What? Wait a second. Because all right, wait a second. Are you pretty? All right. No, that was not a question. Well, all right. He was asking, are you pretty? Be modest, lol. Okay. Eduardo's saying, okay, I'm gonna be honest. I'm pretty good playing video games, something like that. That's an ability. That's a skill. Pretty good. Sorry. You didn't understand the question, Nicole. Sure. La pregunta lo que nos dice es, ok, skill, ¿verdad? Skill es una habilidad que se diferencia de la palabra talent. ¿Okay? Talent es algo con lo que nacimos, un talento, ¿verdad? Skill, and skill, ¿verdad? Skill, esa palabra skill es algo que construimos. ¿Okay? You work really hard, you study really hard to develop your skills. ¿Okay? Se estudia muy duro, se trabaja muy duro para desarrollar lo que son skills, ¿verdad? Mucho cuidado con la manera en que pronunciamos skills, ¿verdad? No digamos esta palabra, no digamos skills, ¿verdad? Al principio no hay ninguna E. ¿Verdad? Nosotros no decimos skills, no. Decimos skills. Lo que hay que hacer es exagerar la S al principio para evitar esa E al principio. Entonces no decimos skills. No. We say skills. Skills, right? Skills. Very good. Entonces, Nicole, Jose, everyone, I'm explaining the question, right? Estoy explicando la pregunta. Lo que dice es que qué habilidades, ¿verdad? Nos son útiles para nuestro trabajo. Nuestras habilidades no son útiles para el trabajo, ¿verdad? Están a la mano para nosotros, ¿ok? ¿Qué habilidades nos ayudan en nuestro trabajo actual o tal vez en un trabajo antiguo, ¿verdad? And Jose is saying that it's a difficult question to be answered. I understand it's a difficult question. In this case, you need to think about maybe your experience, right? Maybe your experience, old experience. Very good, Android Warrior. What unusual abilities? That's a very good. What unusual abilities? Habilidades inusuales, ¿verdad? Unusual abilities. There you go. That's a good one. Well, let's go. Let me see. Jose, think about it. All right, think about it. I'm gonna ask you in a couple of seconds. Think about it.
Okay.
just think about that. Let me check out. Eduardo, what do you think about this question? What unusual skills or what skills have come in handy at your current job or at your previous job? What do you think? Let me see. Are you there, Eduardo? Yep. Nope.
Sorry, what happened?
What happened? I'm asking you. That's normal. Sorry, I mean, I caught you out of base, right?
Yeah, sorry.
Don't worry. I'm asking you this question. What unusual skill or skills have come in handy at your current job?
Currently I don't have a job, but probably my last job, I think it is not an unusual skill, but I was in charge of configuring servers and networking devices.
Okay.
But yeah, I think it is not an unusual skill, but I was in charge of that.
Okay. But,
yeah.
but I mean, to configure something, you need certain skills, right?
Yeah.
You need to be
study.
Study. What
Yeah.
now are you looking for? Are you looking now for a work as a network engineer?
Yes,
Yep.
currently yes, but I don't have any problem if I need to start as a customer service because, well, I know I need to improve my English, so
Okay.
yeah, no problem with that.
It's a good way, it's a good way to, like to get into the company, right? You can start.
Yes.
You can start from.
By the way.
Yeah. Tell me. Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah. By the way, I have the 4 modules of CCNA, so I think that I'm most important in learning or improve my English. I'm very interested in that.
That's good. That's happening to a lot of people. Le está sucediendo a mucha gente. Mucha gente tiene los módulos, pero no el nivel necesario de inglés. Y el problema es que los módulos, ¿verdad? Los módulos se consiguen en un tiempo rápido. Mejorar el inglés lleva un poquito más de tiempo, ¿verdad?
Sí,
That's, yeah,
usualmente se recomienda estudiar primero inglés y luego Cisco, ¿verdad?
yeah.
Sí.
But, well, that's the way it is, right?
Here we are. Yeah.
Well, that's the way. You got the modules, right? But, well, we're gonna change that. I mean, we're gonna change
Yeah.
that. We're gonna change it. You're gonna see. You're gonna see. We're gonna change that. All right, very good, very good. Right? If you need to configure things, that's good, right? Um, who's telling me that? Mr. Javier Mendez dice, I want to study networking. Well, with us you can study. Con nosotros puedes estudiar networking and English at the same time, okay? Inglés y redes al mismo tiempo, ¿verdad? Eso es algo bueno de nosotros. Y algo importante es que el inglés que se lleva, ¿verdad? Está relacionado con la parte de networking, ¿verdad? Que es por eso es que mucha gente está interesada en esta opción. All right, all right, all right. Thank you very much. Let's go to the next one. Okay, Jose saying, I have the same problem. And let me see, Underwater, would you like to participate, please, with this question? What do you think about this?
Actually, I don't have an answer for that.
Yeah.
But I was just trying to explain because maybe it's not very clear.
Yeah. Okay, but
Yeah.
you don't have an answer?
No, because actually, when I usually work, I only go there, sit myself, and do my job.
Okay.
But I don't have like a usual skill, to be honest. No.
Okay. Well, it sounds to me, because of that you just told me, that your skill is to be responsible, to go to the place and do the job effectively, quickly, right? That's a good skill, right? That's a good skill.
Correct.
Yeah, you're punctual and you got discipline, right?
But that will be an skill, but that won't be an usual skill.
No, well, it could be, right? Because in Costa Rica, not a lot of people are responsible. Maybe we can say that it's an unusual skill here. Wow, I don't know.
Exactly. It will be like an skill different that would you be hired for? Something like different.
All right. Okay. That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's the purpose of the question, right? Something different, something unusual, right? Very good. Very good. Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. Okay, we got someone new, Eric. Welcome, Eric. We are just here and well, you just arrived, right? You came at the middle of the meeting, right? Okay, now this is well, this is not the boss of the company. He's the vice president. This is Mr. Jones, right? You know that sometimes your bosses, los jefes, they don't want to, they don't want to waste time. No quieren que gasten el tiempo, ¿verdad? So Mr. Jones comes here. Él viene aquí y nos dice, I think it's time. We're missing the T there. We need a T. I think it's time to move on to the next topic of the meeting. All right. Okay, Mr. Jones. All right. Okay. All right, I understand. Let's move to the next topic. All right, so we go back to the conference room. But now we're going to do something different, which is a speed debate. Okay, this is not a question. This is a speed debate. Okay. Speed es, ¿verdad? Velocidad. Debate es una especie de debate, ¿verdad? Speed debate. Tenemos el tema aquí. This is the topic. Employees, empleados that work from home are more productive. Los empleados que trabajan desde casa son más productivos. That's a very nice topic, right? Are you more efficient if you work from home? Are you more productive if you work from home? So or lazy, or lazier, right? Or if you're the laziest person, right? Yeah, that's a good one, right? So that's a good question. I would like, this is a debate, so you have to take a position, all right? You have to take a position towards this topic. Okay, hay que tomar una posición respecto a el tema. El tema es los empleados que trabajan desde casa son más productivos. Productive. Okay. No decimos productive, ¿verdad? No, decimos productive. 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 That's the pronunciation, right? Productive. Okay, so you have to take a position. Hay que tomar una posición aquí. I want you to think about this. Quiero que piensen en esto. Les voy a dar unos 2 minutos, ¿verdad? Para que tomen una posición, cojan un poco de ideas, ¿verdad? Gather some ideas, junten un par de ideas. Si quieren, si están en la computadora o el teléfono, si quieren buscar algo de información en internet, alguna quote es una frase, ¿ok? Pues it's a debate. Y hay que tomar una posición, ¿verdad? Yes or no. Okay, yes or no. I think yes. I think it's true. I think it's false. Okay, I'm going to give you, voy a darles 2 minutes. Okay, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Okay, voy a darles 2 minutos. Voy a dejar de compartir mi pantalla un instante. Okay. Para que puedan recolectar la información necesaria. Okay. I'm going to share my screen again. Okay, voy a encender de nuevo mi pantalla. I got a chrono, right? I got a chrono right here. Okay. 10 minutes, no, 3 minutes, 3 minutos, okay, para buscar toda la información que puedan. And remember, you have to take a position, okay, una posición respecto a esto. Here we go. Al terminar el tiempo, les voy a preguntar, what's your position and why? ¿Cuál es su posición y por qué? Okay, yes, because of this, this, and this. No, because of that, or this, okay? Here we go. Okay, that's the time. I'm here for you guys. If you got any questions, if you need something, okay, if you need something, I don't know if you can see that. Well, I got this. I'm looking at it. I'm looking at the chronometer. Right? Okay, you need to manage your time. Es algo muy importante, ¿verdad? En el ambiente laboral, right? En el ambiente laboral hay que aprender buenas técnicas de time management, del manejo del tiempo, time management. Organize yourself. Hay que organizarse uno mismo, ¿verdad? Organizar las cosas que uno tiene, ¿ok? So gather ideas. Recolectemos ideas. Gather ideas. Go online. Look for articles. It said better to work from home. We got why working from home? Why working from home? Maybe. Esa es una posición válida, ¿verdad? Maybe, tal vez. Aquí les voy a pasar un pequeño artículo, ¿verdad? Por si quieren también apoyarse en ese artículo para recolectar sus ideas. We still got a couple of minutes. We still got 1 minute and a half. Okay. Okay, time's running. I mean, I don't want to. I'm looking a lot of ideas. That's good. I'm looking. You're writing a lot of ideas. That's very good. That's good. I like that. Okay, the time, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 21. Time's clocking there. All right. I like that. I like that. All the things that you're writing, I like that. I like that. Remember, this is a debate. You need to take one position. You can be in the middle. Okay, time. Let's go back to the conference room. Let's go to the conference room. Let's go back to the conference room. So, all right, you need to take a position. I can see that some of you are in favor of this topic. Some of you are against this topic, or you're not completely sure, right? No están del todo convencidos, ¿verdad? So that's important, right? It's important to know that. So let me see. Vamos a escuchar algunos, okay? Algunos con su posición, algunos comentarios muy buenos, ¿verdad? Ahorita voy a ir leyendo cada uno de esos comentarios. Let's start with Edson. Edson, first, I need to hear your position. Are you in favor or against this topic?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Actually, sir, I'm in favor because, I mean, I have two main reasons for that because, I mean, you don't have to go to this jungle of cars to go to your work.
Okay.
And so you can save a lot of time and you are less stressed. And the other one, you're saving also money.
Okay.
You don't have to pay, for example, a bus, or if you go to work by your own car, you don't have to pay for the gasoline, or I mean, to be fixing your car. They say you don't have to pay for the tires.
Okay.
That would be a decision.
All right. You got very good points. Very good points. I like that. It's true. It saves money, right? It saves money. Not only to you, but also to the company, right? It saves money. You don't have to pay gasoline. You don't have to pay like the bus, right? Or taxi or Uber. I don't know. I'm just saying. That's very good point, Edson. Very good point. So Edson is like in the middle, right? Just like there, like in the middle.
Actually,
You would say
in favor of that.
in favor. All right. In favor. Okay. In favor. But I think let me see now because someone wrote that. Let me see. So it let me see because. So you are in favor of working from home. That's good. Okay. All right. Edson, thank you very much for that point of view. The rest of you, think about the ideas of Edson, all right? Nice. Okay. Let's listen to a different person. Right now, because of time, ¿verdad? Por el tiempo, por lo general una actividad de este tipo, un speed debate, hay un poco más de conversación, ¿verdad? Hay un poco más de discusión en lo que son ideas, ¿verdad? Thoughts, ¿verdad? En ese caso, por el tiempo, ¿verdad? Entonces, vamos a hacer los comentarios, ¿verdad? Eduardo, what do you think? I saw that you wrote some very nice ideas. What's your position here? Favor or against?
Well, I think I'm in favor.
Okay, in favor.
Because you can be more productive. You don't have a boss watching you or something like that, and also you can avoid the traffic. It's a good point.
That's a good point. Yeah.
Yeah. So less stress, or you know, you're more relaxed at your home.
Yeah, you can just Mom, I need something. Right? You can relax, right?
Mom, I'm hungry or something like that.
Mom, I'm hungry. I need something, right? If you need to go to the if you need to go to the bathroom, right, you can go. If you're in a company,
Yeah.
if you're in your company, you cannot go to the bathroom, right? You go to the restroom, right?
Yeah.
But here in your house, if you want to go to the bathroom, you can go, right? If you want to take a shower, something, right? So
Yeah.
it's a very good point. It makes you more productive. Very good point. Very good point. All right, so we got two guys in favor of these, in favor of this topic. Now let me see, because I think that Android Warrior, I think you are against or in the middle. Let me see. I want to see your comments. I want to hear your comments.
Do you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, all right. Well, I'm not against. I
Okay.
wouldn't mind working from home, to be honest. That's true what everyone is saying, pretty much. You can save some money about gas, not being in traffic jam, and being at home is actually, you can relax, pretty much. But uh, I don't know, maybe you would do things that you shouldn't do because you're at home and you think that no one is watching you.
Okay. Yeah. So you are wasting time, right?
I'm sorry?
You could waste time.
Yeah, you can be more distracted, like maybe watching TV or with the cell phone.
Yeah.
So maybe your job wouldn't be like 100% quality.
Okay. All right. All right. You are
That
very
depends
good.
on the person.
Totally.
Yeah,
Totally. That was my point. It depends on the person, right? If you got
exactly.
the ability, right, to be at like in your room and to be just like on the thing that you got to do, right? If you are really focused on
Exactly.
that, so it's perfect. But if you start, with the cell phone, or you start to watch TV, so you start to waste time, right? For the company, for you, and so at the end, I mean, it would
You're
have,
gonna get fired.
yeah, you can't get fired, right? If you can't get
Exactly.
fired. I mean, I know a couple of people who got fired because they were like working from home. I know a guy that he was web designer, right? And
Mm-hmm.
he didn't finish like his job on time, right? And the problem was that the company that paid him to do that, to develop the website, they gave him a deadline, right? And like the day that he was supposed to give, or yeah, to give the website ready.
Yeah, to finish the job.
To finish the job, exactly. But the problem was that, well, deadline just was around the corner. I mean, he was not like, he was just, he wasted a lot of time, and at the end he was fired.
Mm-hmm.
And so that's a very good point. You need to be very focused. It depends on the person. Excellent, excellent point of view. Very good. And you can save money, you can save gas, you can avoid traffic, right? Very good. Thank you very much, guy.
Yeah,
Thank you.
right.
All
True.
right. Thank you. Let's go. I want to hear more comments about this topic. Nicole, what do you think? Are you in favor or against? ¿A favor o en contra de que los empleados trabajen en casa o no? Let me see. Nicole, are you there?
Yes,
Yep.
I think that it's more productive to work from home
Okay.
because if you are hungry, you could go to your fridge and look for something to eat. Or if you want to have a rest, you can do it. And I think that if I work from my home, I could be more productive.
Okay. That's a good point. You may feel a little bit more motivated, right? there's
Yes.
more motivation. As you said, you can go to the fridge, you can do the sandwich, right? Something, because it's your house. That's good.
Yes.
That's good. Very good. Thank you very much, Nicole. Excellent. Excellent. Now we got, let me see, Eric. Mr. Eric. Welcome. I haven't listened to you yet. I don't know if you would like to make some comments regarding this topic. This question right here. Well, it's not a question, it's a topic, right? It's different. Eric, no sé si te gustaría hacer un comentario. Al lado de tu nombre viene un micrófono. Está en color gris. Si lo activas, puedes hablar. Perfecto. Perfect.
Yep.
Yep, perfectly. What do you think about this topic? Favor or against?
I'm in favor because everybody said you save time, save money, even for the company, and you can relax at work.
Okay.
And some work have a wrong environment or people you don't like it. And if you feel better working at home, it's better. You can save money and save health.
That's good.
Even the traffic. The common the people who work in these companies, he's living too far from this company, and they save time.
Yeah.
It's better.
Don't say the people. Just say people. All right.
Just the people.
Just people.
Okay.
People who work in this company. Right.
Okay.
People who work in this company. That's enough. That's a natural way. Right. It's a natural way to say that. People who work in this company. Very good. It saves money. Right. It saves time. I think everyone is in favor right now. Right. Very good. Very good. You got a nice point. What about some negative aspects, Eric? What do you think about some negative things that working from home?
Well, some people doesn't want to stay at home. There's people who can work at home.
Okay.
Because they have to be under pressure to work that. He doesn't feel better or feel fine to that exactly things. And no, it's not. Maybe it's better in the winter because there's a lot of rain here.
Okay.
And some companies have this position, 2 days at home and 3 days in office. And they give you a mixed office, and in this kind of curriculum can be used for 2 people in the same week. They save money with electricity, with the light condicionado.
Yeah.
They use it. Both things for 2 people or 3 people in the same week.
Yeah.
They can.
That's good. The cube, the air conditioner. Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, they have to save money.
Yeah, and you're talking about, right, also negative things. Very good. It saves money to the company. It saves money, right, for the employee, which is also good. But very good. Very good, Eric. Thank you very much. Very nice comments there. Very nice comments. All right, my dear friends. What about if we listened? What about if we listened to maybe Jose? We got a lot of people here. This is so wonderful. I really love to see this place full. Remember that if you enroll with us, si matriculan con nosotros, the group is small, right? El grupo es pequeño. Now we got this big group because it's a demo class, so everyone can join. The link is on Facebook, right? So everyone just can join, right? If we got 20 people, right, something like that. Hotzi, so what do you think? Do you are you in favor? Do you agree with this? Well, with the comments of the people who are in favor, or what do you think?
Okay, I'm in favor.
Good.
Because Yes, less contamination and less stress.
Okay,
You
less
have to,
less
you can
pollution.
save money,
Less
less
pollution.
pollution.
Pollution. Yep.
Yes, and you can save money because you don't have to pay gas or bus or train. But sometimes you can get boring because you're always at home, and I don't know if your wife or are at home at the same time. You always want to be with her or your kids or I don't
Yeah.
know.
Yeah. We got two different kinds of environments, right? Because
Exactly.
someone said, I think it was Eric, he said that maybe if you go to your work, you can find some people, you can meet some people that you really don't like, right? And they can just, like they can bother you, right? So maybe you're going to feel like you're not comfortable in that place. But that's one environment. The other one is that if you stay at home and work, right? If you stay at
You don't have
home,
friends.
well, not maybe friends, but maybe you got kids or your wife. You have to talk to them and say, okay, listen to me. That is gonna work. All right, stay, you know, out of the room because I had to work, right? So please don't make sounds, right? Don't make a lot of noise because I need to work. I need to finish this, right? Otherwise, we will die because we want to have money, right?
I think a good choice
Yep.
is, and Eric was saying that it's part of the time at home and part of in an office.
Yeah.
So you never be in the same place.
Yeah. Good.
No?
Good. Yeah, you're gonna be in a different place, right? Yeah. All right. Thank you very much, Jose. Excellent comments.
You're welcome.
All right, my dear friends. This is not the end. This is not the end. Don't go away. We haven't finished. Remember, this is until 9 o'clock. I just can say I hope that everyone is enjoying the class. I mean, this is just, this is just a little bit of what the English code can offer to you, right? This is just a little bit of what we can offer you, what you are going to encounter, to discover here with us, right? So now let's go right here, um, because some of you are really interested in being good network engineers, right? So what makes a good network engineer, right? We're gonna just take a look at some tips, right? What makes a very good network engineer, right? So what is the best advice you could give someone who is trying to get hands-on experience in networking? What's the best advice you could give someone who is trying to get hands-on experience in networking? All right? Someone that is trying to work as a network engineer. What is the best advice that you could give someone? Right? What is the best advice? Well, I got two tips for you. We got number one, which is think before you do. And maybe someone here would like to help me by reading this. What about if Giselle, would you like to help me please by reading this? Think before you do.
Okay. As an engineer, you will face a constant stream of devices, setups, requests, and technologies, and you won't have enough time to truly dig deep into a technology before some manager says, make it work and make it now. With the landscape constantly changing, it's imperative that before you change anything on a production network, you ask yourself three questions.
All right. This is question number one.
Does this make sense?
Number 2.
What will I impact?
Number 3.
How will I back out the change?
Good. All right. Thank you very much, Giselle. Just repeat with me a couple of words. Everyone else, please repeat with us. Devices.
Devices.
Technology.
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 Yeah. Impact.
Impact.
Good. Production.
Production.
Good. Remember, everyone, right? If your mic is not open, you can still practice, all right? Very good. All right, Giselle, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right. En este caso, ¿verdad? Aquí nos dice que como ingenieros, engineers, right? That's the word, engineer. Vamos a encontrarnos, ¿verdad? Con una gran cantidad de dispositivos, ¿verdad? Peticiones, tecnologías, y a veces no va a haber el tiempo suficiente para poder entrar en cada una de esas cosas, ¿verdad? Antes de que el manager nos diga, hey, make it work, make it now, okay? I don't care, just make it work, right? Make it now. It has to work right now, okay? Now, with the landscape, con el paisaje constantly changing, ¿verdad? Cambiando constantemente, es muy importante que como ingenieros, ustedes, everyone here, y no solamente como ingenieros, se aplica para cualquier otro trabajo en realidad, se hagan 3 preguntas. Does this make sense? What will I impact? How will I back out of the change? Question number 1, does this make sense? ¿Tiene esto sentido? My solution has sense? Am I doing the things that I believe that are right for this? Right? Hay que preguntarse, ¿esto tiene sentido, what I'm doing? Right? I mean, am I applying theory? Or am I just doing it because yes? Right? Am I following all the things that I have learned so far? All the things that my teachers told me? Right? You need to ask yourself, does this make sense? Right? All the different jobs that are related to technology, right, depend a lot on logic, right? They depend a lot on your capacity to think and to solve specific problems in a specific amount of time. So that's the first question. Does this make sense, right? Then you have to ask yourself, ooh, what will I impact, right? Your solution, what are you looking for, right? What do you want to solve? ¿Qué queremos solucionar? What's the problem? What's the thing? What do I need, right? ¿Qué necesito? What does the company need? ¿Qué necesita la compañía, right? As I'm telling you, you need to think, okay, my solution will do this and this, right? Mi solución va a ser esto, okay? But, okay, now that question leads us to the next one. Nos lleva a la siguiente. How will I back out the change? And this is very important if you're a network engineer. Think about the solution, but also think about the consequences of your solution. What happens if your solution doesn't work? Right? What would happen if your solution doesn't work? Damn. Right? Oh God. Now how can I go back? How can I solve this situation, this problem? So you need a plan B. That's very important. You need a plan B. So before acting, before doing things, you need to think, does this make sense? What will I impact? And how can I back out the change? How can I go back, right? If my solution was not effective enough. That's tip number 1. Now let's take a look at the tip number 2, because we only got 2 tips right here. And This is very, very important if you are a network engineer. And I need someone to read this. What about my friend? Let me see. What about my friend Eduardo? Please, would you like to read document, document, document? Just wait for it. There it is.
Okay. Nobody will want you in its team if you cannot document what you're doing. Could be the greatest engineer in the civilized world, but if you don't leave yourself or your team a trail of breadcrumbs to follow, you are a menace to the department.
Yeah, a menace.
A menace.
Yeah, you are a threat, una amenaza. You're a threat to the department, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about that? Do you agree with that? What happened? What would happen if you don't leave that trail of the things that you are doing to the rest of the team?
Yes, I think it is true because when you work as a networking engineer, you always need to document what you are doing with the customer, for example, because well, you need to tell to your boss what did you do with that customer, or yeah,
Okay.
to help your teammates in the future if they have another trouble like that.
Yeah.
So it would be helpful.
Yeah. Now, if you think about this, if you think about this question, right? I mean, if you go and you say, all right, um, okay, so you apply a solution, and then maybe some weeks before that,
Exactly.
the problem reappears, right? And you as you didn't document what you did. So what
Exactly.
happens? A new guy can come and can offer the same solution that didn't work at the
Yeah.
beginning, right? So you're wasting time. So document, document, document. That's a very important characteristic of a good network engineer. Thank you very much, Eduardo. Excellent.
Welcome.
And now we got another point. All right. And maybe my friend Nicole. Please, would you like to read this, Nicole? For a new network engineer. For new network engineers, sorry.
For new network engineers, developing this habit is crucial to success and longevity in the
Longevity.
field. You won't always remember what you did a year ago or 2 years ago, but if you write it down, your chance of successfully resolving a similar or related issue down the road go up exponentially.
Exponentially. Yeah. Very good. Exponentially. Again, right? You need to write down all the things that you did, all the solutions, right? So in that way, right? All the good things, right? All your chances of successfully resolving that situation, right? They are going to go up exponentially, right? Thank you very much, Nicole. Thank you. All right. Now we got some phrasal verbs that we can use immediately. Take some notes, right? What's a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and a preposition. I got some people there. I don't know if you could wait a second because I'm hearing someone. Okay, a verb and a preposition. It can also be a verb and an adverb. A phrasal verb can be also a verb with both an adverb and a preposition. Now, a phrasal verb has a meaning which is different from the original verb. That's what makes them fun but confusing. Una frase, ¿verdad? Una frase verbal en inglés es la combinación de un verbo y una preposición, un verbo y un adverbio, un verbo o un adverbio y una preposición, ¿verdad? Cuando tenemos una phrasal verb, hay un cambio en el significado original. Una phrasal verb que existe es look at the photos. Look at. look at. A network consists of two or more. Here I'm missing an S. Aquí sí me falta una S. A network consists, with S, right? Consists of two or more. Okay. Esa es otra phrasal verb que se puede usar. Consist of. Okay. Separate networks are linked over a public network. Okay. Are linked over. They are together, right? They are all together, right? They are linked over a public network. Esta es otra phrasal verb. Okay. Many phrasal verbs have an idiomatic meaning, not predictable from the meaning of its parts. Okay. Eso significa que las phrasal verbs tienen un significado especial nuevamente. Por ejemplo, si yo digo el verbo carry, que significa transport, okay, that's all, carry, transportar, transport. Pero si yo solo pego out, tengo carry out, que significa execute. Por ejemplo, computers carry out the programs. Okay? Computers execute the programs. Certain particles have similar meanings regardless of the verb. Okay? Hay ciertas partículas, ciertas palabritas, por ejemplo, a las partículas como on, off, in, out. Por ejemplo, podemos decir turn on, switch on, which means to start the operation of something. We can say turn off or switch off, which means to stop the operation of something. Okay? We got more over there. We got more over there. Like, todos los, por cierto, todos los que están participando, ¿verdad? Ahorita les tomo los datos porque este material es gratuito para ustedes, ¿verdad? Por si lo quieren guardar, por haber venido a la charla, ¿verdad? A la clase demo. Tenemos, por ejemplo, plug into, que es connect. Hey, plug one end of the phone cord into the phone jack. Set up. Establish. What do I need to set up a wireless LAN? Set up. Okay? Set up. Sign up. Sign up. Sorry. Sign up. Use not sing up. Sign up. It's this one. Sign up, not this one. This is sing the verb, you know, when you sing, but this is sign. It's a good moment to take a look at the difference in pronunciation. This is sing, sign. Register, enroll in a service. Once connected, you can sign up for newsletters. Try out. It means to test or use experimentally. You can try out new software on their site. Find out. It means to learn, to discover. Search the web to find out more information. Take up, occupy. Fiber optic cables take up less space than copper cables. And make up, constitute, form. Several LANs connected together make up a WAN. Fill in, write the necessary information. You need to fill in this online information. Now, why are phrasal verbs so important in business English? ¿Por qué son tan importantes las phrasal verbs? Porque las phrasal verbs se utilizan para que al momento de hablar uno sea más ágil. El speech, ¿verdad? El diálogo de uno sea más rápido, sea más ágil. Okay? So, my dear friends, hopefully my future students, because I know that you really, really like the class, this was just a little bit. Solo un poco. This was just a little bit. A little taste, right? Una probada of what the English code can offer to you. With us, you're going to improve. That's for sure. Okay? Con nosotros van a mejorar. That's for sure. Es asegurado. El nivel actual que tengan ahorita, sea básico o sea avanzado, intermediate, de ese nivel, en su programa ustedes van a mejorar de manera pues realmente significativa. ¿Okay? Significativa. Con English Code, ustedes llevan una experiencia, ¿verdad? Van a ser parte de una comunidad de la cual van a poder estar recibiendo material extra, van a poder estar escuchando podcasts. Nosotros como academia, ¿verdad? Como academia, trabajamos haciendo podcasts, estamos haciendo podcasts, que es como un programa de radio en el cual pueden escuchar diferentes temas Igualmente, tal vez de vez en cuando puedan ser invitados en el podcast y sus classmates los van a escuchar hablando, experiencias. Ese es un podcast. Igualmente tienen acceso a materiales, libros, no solamente, digamos, el material que se utiliza durante clases, materiales adicionales, ¿verdad? Nuestra metodología se basa mucho en la parte de conversación y gramática, ¿ok? Porque la gramática es una parte muy importante. Lo que pasa es que la gramática, ustedes con nosotros la van a ver en contexto. ¿Y en cuál contexto? En el contexto que necesitan, ¿verdad? Por ejemplo, si necesitamos ver qué es el present perfect, qué es presente perfecto, ¿verdad? Entonces no vamos a ver, por ejemplo, una oración como I have watched the movie. He visto la película. No, no, no. Vamos a verla en contexto. You know, I have solved that situation with the network or with that computer, right? Ya he resuelto ese problema con la red, con la situación, right? So many times before, tantas veces antes. En contexto, la gramática en contexto, funcionando, porque eso es lo que a ustedes les interesa. Ahora, respecto a lo que es English Code. Ya se les ha enviado a algunos, ¿verdad? La información a sus correos electrónicos con lo que es la parte, digamos, cómo corresponde el programa. English Code, la parte de inglés, se compone en este momento de 4 niveles, arrancando desde el nivel 0, Starter, después se avanza a un Beginner, luego a un Intermedio y luego al Upper Intermediate que todo el mundo desea, ¿verdad? Ese Upper Intermediate, que es el que se necesita llegar ahí. Cada uno de esos módulos tiene una duración de 5 meses, 5 months, ¿okay? Tiene una duración de 5 meses, en las cuales ustedes reciben clases 2 veces por semana, en diferentes opciones de horarios, ¿okay? Que se las he enviado a los correos. Igualmente, si necesitan consultarlo, aquí pueden ver la información, ¿verdad? Estamos en Facebook, tenemos página web, igualmente tenemos mail, hay algunos números de teléfono también, para que se puedan informar y puedan matricular con nosotros. You can enroll with us, okay? That you can be part of the English community, of the English Code community. Van a tener acceso ilimitado al conference room también, ¿verdad? El que vimos hoy. The Rachel's number, too. Rachel's phone number, too. No, that's not true. Lo importante aquí es que, como pudieron ver, esto fue solo una probada, hay mucha parte de conversación, las clases son dinámicas, los grupos son pequeños. Hoy fue un poco difícil porque tenemos bastante gente, por suerte, ¿verdad? La clase de demo se llenó, tenemos bastante gente, lo cual es muy bueno. Pero el programa, ¿verdad? El curso ya en sí es un grupo pequeño. ¿Para qué? Para que ustedes puedan tener más tiempo para participar, que su profe esté con ustedes en una enseñanza personalizada, ¿verdad? Que si ustedes tienen alguna situación, no sé, que digamos, les salió una job interview para la próxima semana, que ustedes puedan llevarle preguntas al profesor, se puedan resolver en el tiempo de clase entre todos. Hay clases en las que vamos a utilizar todas las webcams, ¿verdad? Para que sea un poco de interacción face to face, ¿verdad? Ese tipo de cosas. Entonces, cosas muy importantes que considerar con English Code. Es enseñanza personalizada, es enseñanza basada en sus objetivos. Y finalmente todos los materiales son relevantes y o se van a adaptar a sus objetivos, ¿verdad? Que es algo muy, muy importante y que es algo que sinceramente no hay ahorita afuera. Casi todos los demás programas, academias tienen un inglés muy genérico, ¿verdad? Un inglés muy genérico. Aquí lo que hay que aprender es a cómo defendernos en el ambiente laboral. Igualmente, obviamente, si nosotros ya aprendemos a defendernos en un ambiente laboral, pues luego nada más vamos aprendiendo el vocabulario para las diferentes situaciones que queramos, ¿verdad? Eso es muy importante. Ahora, como mencioné al principio, existen 2 opciones, ¿verdad? Hay una opción que es el English for Network, que es inglés para redes, en el cual se llevan las 2 clases de inglés a la semana y también se lleva una clase de telecomunicaciones con un profesor que es muy bueno. It's an excellent teacher. Y también tenemos la opción solamente de Business English, que es solamente inglés de negocios, que el cual no se lleva telecomunicaciones, sino solamente inglés de negocios, en el cual ustedes van a venir y van a mejorar lo que es la parte de inglés, la parte de comunicación en el ambiente laboral. ¿Ok? van a estar expuestos muchísimo al inglés, vamos a practicar muchísimo lo que son job interviews. La pasada clase demo fue basada en job interviews, lo cual fue muy, muy bueno. Ahora, respecto a el precio, esa es una gran pregunta, ¿verdad? Una gran pregunta, el precio. Le hemos enviado la información, ¿verdad? Para que ustedes las tengan, pero si quieren saber acerca del precio, pues bueno, ahorita el precio de lo que es English for Networks, ¿verdad? Se encuentra en $100 por mes. Estamos hablando de unos 52,000 colones por mes. Ahora, ¿cuál es la ventaja que English Code les ofrece? English Code tiene la ideología, tiene el pensamiento, es decir, ustedes van a pagar las clases que ustedes desean llevar. Nosotros no queremos por ejemplo, sí, quitar su número de tarjeta. Nosotros no necesitamos eso, porque a veces uno necesita salirse del curso por X razón, y a veces hay ciertos lugares que lo que le dicen es, no, mira, no puedes salir porque firmaste un contrato, entonces te vamos a seguir sacando el dinero. Eso no, nosotros no queremos hacer eso. En English Code ustedes van a encontrar profesores. Aquí todos son profesores. ¿Okay? Eso es muy importante. Aquí todos son profesores. Nosotros queremos ayudar a la gente, ¿verdad? Que la gente pueda encontrar su trabajo. Entonces, en ese sentido, por ejemplo, si viene un mes de clases, el estudiante paga su mensualidad al principio. Ya no se preocupa más por mensualidad, puede estar entrando a los podcasts, puede estar descargando materiales durante todo ese mes. Al siguiente mes vuelve a pagar y ahí va, ¿verdad? A través de un depósito bancario. Entonces, de esa forma no hay, no está esa sensación fea, ¿verdad? De que si me necesito salir y me llegan y me dicen, no, mira, no puedes salirte por esto, te vamos a seguir quitando el dinero. Eso nosotros no lo queremos. English Code es real life English. ¿Okay? Es inglés para la vida real. Y pues también estamos tratando de hacer la diferencia. To make, to present, to sell, to give you something different. Okay? I would like to hear some questions. Si alguno tiene alguna pregunta, algún comentario, si les gustaría recibir más información. En este momento estamos en periodo de matrícula. Toda esta semana que viene es un periodo de matrícula. Estamos para iniciar clases el 2 de mayo, sí, si no me equivoco. Primero es domingo, 2 de mayo. Estamos para iniciar clases. Los que gusten matricular de una vez, más que bienvenidos. Me gustaría escuchar si alguno tiene una pregunta, alguna consulta, anything, lo que gusten. También me gustaría escuchar tal vez un poco de feedback, qué les pareció la clase. Tal vez vamos a escuchar, no sé, Eduardo, algo de feedback que nos quieras dar, cómo te pareció la clase, metodología, qué te parece.
Me parece que estuvo bastante bien, estuvo más interactiva
Muy bueno.
que la